Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two reflective glitter gel polishes as well as this super top coat from Born Pretty to share. One is a regular reflective glitter gel and the other is magnetic. They're both super reflective under a flashlight or the sun, and they're available at bornpretty.com, which I'll link down below. Don't forget you can use my code MGL for 10% off, including sale items. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. The first reflective glitter gel is item number 51642, and this is the Holographic Reflective Glitter Gel in the shade The Vast-seas. This one has a bunch of silver holographic glitters all suspended in a clear base, and this is a gel polish, so after each coat I'm going to be curing it in my LED light for 30 seconds. So I could still see quite a bit of my natural nails showing through with 2 coats, so I did apply 3 coats. And in certain lighting it does look like just a regular holographic glitter polish, but believe me, it looks completely different under a flashlight or in the direct sunlight. The glitter gel polish does dry slightly tacky, so I'm going to seal it in with 1 coat of Born Pretty's Super Top Coat, which is item number 52090. So here is the swatch of the reflective glitter gel polish in the shade The Vast-seas under my normal lights, and here it is under a flashlight, and you can really see those glitters just absolutely sparkle. This next one is item number 52004, and this is the Holographic Reflective Glitter Magnetic Gel Polish in the shade Remote Deserts. This one is more of a champagne shade, and it's got a mixture of some silver magnetic glitters as well as some champagne holographic glitters, and it's all suspended in a clear base. I kind of liked it as is, but it's advertised as a magnetic polish, so I wanted to test that. So I'm just using a regular rectangular magnet to create a diagonal pattern before I cure the polish. Curing it will set the magnetic particles wherever they are, so make sure you're happy with your design before you cure it. Another thing I noticed with this polish is that the holographic glitters didn't move around when I applied the magnet on top, only the silver magnetic particles moved. Again, I topped it off with the Super Top Coat, and I really like this gel top coat. It's a no-wipe top coat. It's got a thin formula, so it's really easy to apply, unlike some of the thicker formulas, and it claims to be scratch resistant and anti-stain as well. So here is the Reflective Glitter Magnetic Gel Polish in the shade Remote Deserts under normal lighting and under a flashlight. So that's all for today's video with the 2 reflective glitter gel polishes and the Super Top Coat from Born Pretty. I'll leave some links down below in the description where you can get these items, and don't forget you can use my code MGL10 for 10% off. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!